In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make it to where your pivot table will show the values as the minimum or the maximum relevant value for each applicable category in your pivot table with ease. So here we have a pivot table that, as we can see by showing the field list, it is showing the sum of the revenue for each applicable category. So the sum of the revenue for Avery in the East region is $251,000, for example. But what if we wanted this to show the maximum revenue or the minimum revenue on any given day, week, or month, for example, instead? To do this, we can go to the pivot table, make sure that the pivot field list is showing after clicking on the pivot table analyze tab. And from here, we can go to the values grouping. And by default, it shows as the sum of revenue. But to show this as the maximum bid instead, we first want to make sure that we're clicked into the pivot table. And from here, we're going to want to go to the values grouping and click on the drop down menu right here. Go to field value settings, and from here, we're going to want to click on summarize values as the max or the min based on what we want to show in the pivot table. So just say we click on max, for example, and click OK. Now, as you can see, this transforms to where it's showing the maximum for each applicable category. So, for example, the maximum sales for Alex in the South is $36,000. But the grand total, so the maximum total for Alex is in the North region instead. And Riley, the maximum for the North region is $17,000, but the maximum as a whole across our regions for Riley is $44,000 in the South region. We can also show this to be min instead, which might paint a bit of a different story for the sales sweep right here in this data, with the minimum being $12 in sales for Drew in the North region. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. All you have to do is click on your pivot table, go to the values grouping, field value settings, and then just choose max or min to show the maximum or minimum value for the relevant category in your pivot table. If you found this to be helpful, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.